It's 6:20 a.m. and I'm actually on our balcony in Los Cabos with my family. But the cool thing about this, right, and if you're watching this video on YouTube, I definitely want you to actually hit the subscribe button and, you know, hit the like button if you like this video, and drop a comment, right? I always drop a lot of value. Sometimes I try not to drop too much value because I want people to actually understand, to realize that you are not limited where you're at currently in your life, right? Meaning, you're not, if you're working a job and you dislike working a job, you're not limited, right? If you are starting a business and you're stuck in a certain position, right, you're not actually limited, right? Only you, remember this, guys, only you can limit yourself, right? As you guys can see, this is my first time actually getting a stamp on my passport. Matter of fact, I remember, before I even say what I was about to say, but I remember when I always was wishing, I seen a lot of people posting going to Cabos and going to Dubai and all these cool places, and I always told myself, I'm gonna go there one day, right? And that one day was yesterday, right? When I got my stamp, got my passport 3 months prior with my family, and now I'm here, right? And it feels like a big goal just because of not only did I told myself and I believed and I consistently kept working and grinding to be able to afford it, right? Not just coming out here just for the fun of it, but I believed in myself first, right? I trust myself first. I put in the work, right? Overtime, right? Putting my team in position to continuously help me grow and help themselves grow and actually even help the company grow. And now we're here in Los Cabos with a beautiful hot tub, jacuzzi in the middle, right? So this goes back to me saying, if you are looking to take yourself to the next level, if you're looking to take your income to the next level, there's a few things that I always want to tell you to do. The first thing that I want to tell you to do is always believe in yourself, right? If you don't believe in yourself, nobody will, right? If you don't put yourself in a position to win, or surround yourself around people that's going to win, or surround yourself around people that's going to give you the information that you need to win, then you are the one that's limiting yourself and not nobody else. You can't blame somebody for your decisions, right? For you not going out there to network, for you not being able to be outspoken and communicating with people so they can actually help you get the information that you need to build and scale your business, right? Like I said, I'm here in Cabos and I'm literally working, spending time with family, getting things done. But at the same time, I'm reaping the benefits of the seed that I planted, right? I planted a seed to, you know, financially retire my parents, retire myself, right, at a young age, and retire my daughter so that once she hit a certain age, she can be able to do things that she needs to do to get to where she needs to get to, right? So again, guys, never ever limit yourself. And if you're watching this video right now, there's a few things I'm gonna actually want to tell you guys that you need to really do. If you do not have your credit repaired, that is the first step of financial freedom. This is something that they should have taught us in school, but of course we live in a world where we only get taught things that don't matter, right? You know, for me to get to where I'm at right now is because I leverage my credit. Hey mama, I leverage my credit. How did I leverage my credit? In 2011, I had probably the worst credit that you can ever imagine, right? I had all type of collections, medical bills, not knowing that going to the doctor, and it was just crazy, right? All type of stuff. I put myself in a position to actually not only me start my own credit repair business and fix my own credit, but at the same time, not only put myself in a position to fix my own credit and start my own credit repair business, but what I did was, after I fixed my own credit, I fixed a lot of people's credit around me that put me in a position to be able to understand the credit game, right? And the credit game is not just you having a 700 credit score, right? I can pull up my credit report right now and show you guys, it's not just about having a 750, 780, or 800. It's really about seasoning your credit and being able to leverage your credit and turn it into cash and build profitable businesses. What do you mean? This trip that we took to Los Cabos, right? if you use certain reward points or reward benefits or cashback or travel benefit type of cards, you'll be able to actually manufacture spend. So basically, some cards might have an intro where if you spend $10,000 or $5,000 or $3,000, then you're able to get 50,000 points. Now, if you do the calculations, depending on what airline and what type of cards and stuff like that, you'll be able to notice that, okay, if I just got free $50,000 points, free $50,000 points, I can convert that and travel and take my whole family to a trip, right? Or I can convert that and turn those points back into cash and deposit into my account and be able to pay my bills, right? So when you understand the credit game, it's not about you just having a credit card and paying bills and then paying back the credit card to pay more bills. It's really more about leveraging your credit, turning it into cash, leveraging your credit, creating lines, right? Big lines of credit like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. Even if you start off at 5,000 or 3,000, that's really, really good, right? But you have to understand how to leverage your credit, turn it into cash, build businesses, and never ever have to worry about making money ever again, because you understand the game of credit, right? Credit don't understand you, you understand credit, right? So I'm gonna let you guys go. I need to prepare. I want to watch the sunrise come up, and I want to be able to, like I said, never limit yourself. And if you are on that verge of looking to give up, I'm gonna always tell you guys this right here, right now, live. Never ever give up, because you have the chance to actually wake up the next day by the grace of God and be able to chase that dream, right? That you are so locked in on chasing and bringing that results that you're looking to bring back to the table. Let's go. Love you guys. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on Instagram, share the video, drop a comment. I always give out value, and this is the type of information you guys need to see. Let's go.